lot. Thanks.
Oh yeah, do. You not seen a lime? Pick one of lime then, no? You afraid of joke? You're not afraid Maca joke you? Mine, you know. Yeah, peeps. Me and my daughter can look lime. But you don't know. Hey, hey, mind the Maca, you know? He joke you? So, them something how you have to make your pitney them do. Because nowadays pitney now do them thing. So, certain things may make she get involved in, you see it. Yeah, baby? Yeah. See shell? Which part shell there? Oh, snail.
Mama, go over there, sir.
Yeah. Mama. Where you want me to help you to? You want to pick the one there? So pick it there now. You can't pick it. Just dry. Just don't get choked. Me know. Say she not have to learn. She have to learn. When you Maca joke her, she will know how Maca joke feel. But I don't lie. Sometimes you have to learn by experience, you see me?
Mama, come for this.
What, you walk in the bush, go on. Mama tell you about you can't manage. You have to learn, baby. Go on. Mind a drop, hold your balance. Go on. Walk, go on. Yeah man, go on, walk, go on. Hold your balance, my girl. Hold your balance. Go on. She in her slippers. One thing it does a stifle something, man. Cause look how they wanna look blighted. Look blighted for you. Cause look here. And them a drop off too. Cause look. Eh? How you reaching way? Watch out get Maca joke. Yeah. Now you. Look there. In a lime bush in there. That is it. Same thing me I tell China them yesterday. You have to find a method and learn.
Put it in our plate.
In a pan.
In our pan.
Come show me what in a pan. What that?
Lime.
Lime? Where you use lime though?
Make drinks.
Make drinks?
Yeah.
Good girl. You want to go over here part? No, so how mama will get a pan if you put lime in her? You want to pass? You want me to hold it for you? You want to carry yourself? You look like one of yellow lime them in your shirt. That's her. Big woman this, you know. Mine a drop, you know. Pan dust. So you see when my daughter have to go through a daytime, all of the dust there. You see it? Because a roadside we live. You talk about picky. Look how far he there.
Me over here, boss. Yeah. I'm a maca. What are the juke?
Wait, so one already juke you?
Yes, just as well.
Oh, shh.
The one.
So you feel how you feel now?
I'm saying I have a touch no more now.
That my girl, that one.
Jesus.
Oh, I'm to Jesus. I want to you now. Find this picnic about she a 3-year-old. For we not stroll them must.
How long?
Yeah.
Come on. I'm going to pick the pepper. Look.
Wait. Let me catch that car. Hold on for me.
I pepper tree this,
Stop
you know.
shake me up now, picnic. See that? You have to wash them the good enough, man.
Pepper me.
Alright. Oh, Kali, what you going to do today?
Ackee.
Which part Ackee then there?
Up there, so.
Up there, so?
Yeah, the walk with the swan, walk with the fire up there. Swan there, swan there, swan there. Swan there, there's a walk more. Swan up, there's a walk eye.
Yeah, so then what?
Yeah.
Oh, you know, so then what? Come, climb up. Climb. Wait. Try though. You're squeaky.
Meet my father and.
Hold on. Nice. You good? Hands in the Ackee. Then come out. And crawl upon you. Wally. Alright, may I pick them for you. No more not there. Come here.
Coffee?
Wow.
That's an orange bar.
You know, your hands bite you right there, so for true, you know. Because you ever scratch this, so I'm a box off one of them. But as I say, I forget you used to it, baby. Here? You want to come a bush, all of them something there in a bush.
Yeah.
Hands bite. But a red hands bite him. What is? Wait, now turn on the back. Alright, go on.
Everything we have to do, tell me that not.
May I help you?
No?
Why you say that?
Daddy, naughty.
Me naughty?
Yeah.
You go on, man.
And put the you got the Ackee on the foot.
Me pick you and you drop on your foot and not my fault.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Why am my fault? You see, eat rush a kill you. You see your face bumpy.
Eat what? You're dead.
You're not good dead, you're mad. My baby, if not, you're mad. You want that mad? Boy, you're good dead. Eat now, kill you, man. And that I get one good work, that I'll get AC and something for you.
Them not help me. Jenna, carrot, and Danny.
They not help you?
What a big one here, this one. Daddy, you can't. It might sleep in our bed.
You're not easy, you know, boy, you must sleep in our bed. Watch it. Record upon car. Car upon record. What may I say?
I know that. See that Mickey come there?
Mm-hmm.
That
Don't walk on tribal grave, no? Yeah, the picnic a big fin size, you know. Maybe one dwarf.
See the white dancer up there? Another dancer.
Oh, we actually reach. Brother, you can't reach that, you know. Hey, mine is dropping a call it. Call move.
Whoa! 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 Put it down. Drop it.
Right now, I can't drop though.
That's the moment I did for the ESO.
Yeah.
ESO.
No, bro, you pick two wrong one. You pick two when I walk me head.
Wow, the one is heavy. Yeah!
Yes, you get you out. You get you out, baby.
Yeah. Make sure I get this one. Make sure I get it out. See it? You see them here? Like that? Daddy, you don't let me eat.
Kakal. You ready to pick me go stop by there? Kakal, look over Dada. Look over your head. Where Dada there? Where? Where Dada there, baby? Yeah, that is it.
Yeah, man. The top.
Where you say?
Yeah, got Ackee.
Alright, come. Do it. Do it like I'm show you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now watch your finger.
The arms are cutting. Done. No. Ima want me to eat. Done. No.
Hey, Kaka, me say broke it off. Remember me tell you? When you reach that far, broke it off. Yes, and clean out inside now. That much easier for you, right? It easier for you, right? You must say yes.
Yes.
Because it's easier.
Easier. Okay. You want to come my bushes. Me? Daddy, we want to there. See every day.